Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable editing on Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to share your spreadsheet with others, but prevent them from making any changes to your data or formulas. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to protect. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to disable editing. This will open the file in Google Sheets, allowing you to access all the sharing and permission settings. Take a moment to ensure this is the correct spreadsheet before proceeding to the next steps. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This button is your gateway to controlling who can access your spreadsheet and what level of permissions they have. Clicking it will open a dialog box with various sharing options that we'll need to adjust. In the sharing settings, you'll notice a section that shows the current access level. If your spreadsheet is set to anyone with the link and the permission level is set to editor, you'll need to change this. Click on the editor drop-down menu and you'll see different options appear. From these options, change the permission to either viewer or commenter depending on your needs. Viewer means people can only look at the spreadsheet without making any changes, while commenter allows them to add comments but still prevents them from editing the actual content. Next, you'll want to click on the gear icon within the sharing settings. This opens up more advanced settings that give you even greater control over what people can do with your spreadsheet. These additional settings are crucial for fully protecting your document from unwanted changes. In the advanced settings, you need to uncheck the option that says Allow editors to change permissions and share. This is an important step because it prevents anyone else from altering the sharing settings you've just configured. Without this protection, someone with editor access could potentially change the permissions back. Finally, scroll down to the section labeled People who can download, copy, and print. Here you have the option to uncheck both editors and commenters and viewers. By unchecking these boxes, you're preventing people from downloading, copying, or printing your spreadsheet, which adds an extra layer of security to your document. And that's it. You've successfully disabled editing on your Google Sheet and locked down the permissions to protect your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.